What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure and Off-Road Elements, and today we're going to be installing the Motobilt rock rails with steps. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is obviously the hardware that comes supplied. Then you're going to need some clamps to hold this on while you're going to be drilling. You're going to need at least 2 different drill bits, a drill, extra battery, Loctite for your nutserts, a nutsert tool, and then a mallet as well. Alright, so we went ahead and put it up here. As you can tell, we used all the clamps to clamp it to the Jeep. You do have to remove this plastic so that way you can get a good grip up here. But the big thing here is you want it all clamped up how it's going to be, so that way when you drill into your Jeep, you know that the holes and everything is going to line up perfectly. Because if not, and it's sideways or tilted, your door might not close, or it's just going to look ridiculous. So definitely spend time, make sure that it's even and equal all the way across. Alright, so now comes the sketchy part, because you're drilling into your Jeep, which is a tad bit sketchy. It's even scaring me a little. But we'll go ahead and drill out every single hole. Start here, and then go to the corner down there, then come back and work your way down. But let's do it. So now that all of our holes are drilled, we're going to go ahead and take the clamps off and remove it, and then we have to drill them out a little bit farther. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and drill those holes out a little bit farther, that way we can get these rivet nuts in there, because right now they obviously won't fit. So we got all the holes drilled out. Now we're going to be putting the rivet nuts in and put a little bit of thread locker on there, just as an extra precaution. Then you'll just install that straight as you can. Oh, that is. There we go, straight as you can. And then pull both together. There we go. And then you'll just twist this out. And it's installed. Go ahead and wipe that off. And then just repeat the process all the way down. Alright, so we went ahead and got all these rivets in. Now we're going to go ahead and pick this back up and put it where it belongs and start screwing in all our hardware. Alright, so we went ahead and got it installed, as you can tell. The next step is getting the 3 bolts underneath. So you have this one in the middle, and then there's one here, and of course the one in the front. So we'll be taking those 3 off and getting the steps on. Taylor's gonna try to loosen that one.
That was easy.
She's lucky because I just took other rock rails off.
You just said that you hadn't messed with these.
No, I didn't mess with the middle one. I took that one and the rear one off already.
Okay.
Alright, so we got the step, but before we actually install the step, you gotta put these on. So you just kind of line it up and then just kind of hammer it in there. There you go. So that way the bolt will go through the step and then through the little nut that's down there. We'll get all of these installed and then throw the step on. Can't wait.
So we got it on. We had a little trouble with the fender. Had to bend it a little bit because it would not go on. Took us a good while to get that done.
Yep, but we got it.
And so now what we're doing is putting in the bolts underneath, and then this side will be done. Oh, and that, yeah.
I have to fix the paint too.
We'll fix the paint.
Not a big deal.
Not a big deal. So, almost done with one side. About to do the other side. Joke time.
What?
Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
Why?
You don't even guess?
No.
Because he was outstanding in his position.
I want to stop doing Jeep videos.
Outstanding in his position?
Yes, I get it.
Because he's a scarecrow.
Outstanding in the... Hey, where'd the wrench go?
You're so mean. Back to work. James just put the last bolts in underneath on here, and they are officially on.
Why don't you go try to get in? Try to get in the Jeep.
Go get in.
Then you got steps.
Use a step.
I'm very happy.
Was that easy?
I'm very happy now.
Alright, so we went ahead, got the other side off, and we took the doors off on this side. So we're going to go ahead and start the project on the driver's side, and hopefully everything works just as easy as it did on the passenger side.
Easier?
Hopefully easier.
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 Yes.
I'm out of breath.
It's been a long day.
Everything's so heavy, it's like pick up a rock rail, okay, then pick up a door, and then pick up another door, and then use your muscle. And I'm the only one. Even though Taylor's helping just a little bit. Tired. Need a sandwich, I'm hungry.
I'll get you a sandwich, babe.
Then I'm gonna get this done.
Let's go.
So everything's done. It is a long project for sure, but I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna have to clean them up again because they got kind of messed up on the way here with the paint. But other than that, pretty happy with them. I know that Taylor and the kids will really enjoy them, and that's all that really matters, is that they can get in and out, and my Jeep will be protected underneath, which is awesome. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I got some more great videos coming. And other than that, keep the adventure going.